Whoa, that's a serious jungle buggy there. Hello guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
Okay, so today we're doing a video of this Lego city set right here. It's for ages 5 to 12 years old. Okay, so the number for this item is 60156 and it's the jungle buggy. And it has 53 pieces. Okay, so this is the front of the box. And this is the back. Okay, so let's get opening.
This.
Okay, so we just built this little guy here.
It comes with this and the extra knife. If you lost a knife, you can use the other
Oh
knife.
yeah, it comes with 2 knives.
It has a binoculars. See?
Mm-hmm.
It is.
Okay guys, so Z just built his little buggy here and he finished building this one as well. And then these are the extra pieces that we're left with here. And it even came with the little binoculars here. Isn't that so cute?
Look at this.
What is that one? Is that the little guy that it comes with?
I put the knives in the 2 hands.
Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so here we have his little shirt. Doesn't it look so cute with his radio, his pockets on his shirt? And we like his little beard. He's got a little beard going on over here. And look at the back of his shirt. He's got his radio on the back of his shirt too. Okay, so this is a little buggy that Z made. Isn't that cute? And it came with a little spider. And it comes with this too.
That's a little bit of a temple.
And look, it comes with a gem here. Whoa, isn't it so cool? Okay, Z, so what's your favorite thing about this set right here?
The diamond.
Whoa, that's a serious jungle buggy there.
It's not a
Whoa,
buggy, but it's a bug.
whoa, that's awesome. Whoa, whoa, that's super duper cool. Oh.
Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to click the thumbs up button below to like this video, and also the red subscribe button to subscribe for some more fun videos. And have a great day guys. Bye.